One of the most common misconceptions or myths about bats is that they are all vampires. Of the 1,200 species of known bats, only 3 are known to drink blood. And only one of those 3 species actually feeds on mammals. Two of the species of so-called vampires feed on birds, almost exclusively. And the reason that we have a lot of these myths about vampires is because of human domesticated animals, which provide a great food source for vampires and has allowed for their increase in numbers. But there is one species, 1 out of 1,200. Some other common misconceptions are that they get tangled in your hair, which they do not. As a matter of fact, there's a famous study by the Earl of Cranbrook in England who somehow got some volunteer women, blondes, brunettes, redheads, curly hair, straight hair, short hair, long hair, and he tried to tangle the bats in their hair, and no bats got tangled. That myth, I think, comes from the fact that sometimes people attract bugs. Bats are attracted to bugs. They feed on bugs, so when feeding, the bats come close to people. Or, as some people note, if they have a swimming pool in their backyard, they often see bats flying near that swimming pool because they want to drink. They want to drink, and they think that the bats are attacking them, but they're not. So they don't go for your neck, they don't get tangled in your hair. Another myth or misconception about bats is that they carry disease, or that they're all rabid. There's no such thing as a blind bat. Bats are not blind. All bats can see. They don't necessarily have visual acuity. That is, they can't see detail as well as you or I, but they can all see. Most bats are nocturnal, so their eyes are adapted for low light levels, nighttime vision. So therefore, yes, they are blinded by bright lights, like the bright light of sunshine. But bats can see. They can see very well. And they use their vision primarily for close up, okay, for what we call nearsightedness.